Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed Alamuddin. I'm a student in King Saud University, College of Architecture and Planning, and today we are going to learn how to insert a PDF project into AutoCAD 2017. Scale the project, and then later on, plot the project in both meters or millimeters. You will need an existing PDF file drawing ready to use. So first step, we go to Insert, and then PDF underlayer, or underlay, it's underlayer actually. And then we go to an existing PDF plan that I have. Let's press on that one, the first one. As we can see, there's an attached PDF underlay. The window is opened and the first thing we can notice is the path type, and there is relative path, full path, no path. And then at the right there's a scale bar, and there's an insertion point for X, Y, and Z, and we can rotate the PDF in the rotational part, and we can show details also where it's the file and all that. But for now I'm just gonna press OK, and there we have it, a PDF, but it's PDF drawing, not to scale. But we're just going to scale it right now to millimeters. Yeah, I'm just gonna scale it to millimeters, but first off we're just gonna press PL for polyline, and I'm just gonna press on the endpoint and to the other endpoint. Let's say it's this one, and I'm just gonna type in 0.9 meters, and then I'm gonna scale that. We can actually press here in any place in the PDF file, and then press on the endpoint, press R. There we can see the command copy or reference. I'm just gonna choose reference because it's way easier than copy, and press on that one to the endpoint, and then drag all that all the way to the right, and this is the point that we are going to take, and then there we go, we have it scaled to meters. Then I'm going to go to layout. I'm just gonna delete the layout just to teach you guys how to scale in a viewport. First off, we need to scale. We should go to the layout that we want, and page setup manager, modify. We can set this one to Autocad if you want colors or grayscale or monochrome. I'm just gonna go for monochrome for now, and this is the paper size. Of course, we shouldn't forget to set up this one to DWG to PDF, and then we have a paper size where we can set it to either A4, A3, A2, A1, or A0. I'm going for A0 because the drawing is so big. And 1 to 1, of course, we usually can do this 1 to 1000, but I don't want to confuse, I don't like to get confused with these, so I'm just the scaling units, so I'm just going for 1 to 1 right now. And landscape I mean, sorry. And OK, we press OK. The layout is ready, and then we go for a viewport, and as we can see, there's a standard viewport, which is we can either go for a single, 2 vertical, 2 horizontal, and so on. I'm just going for a single one, and I'm just gonna press OK. Press enter twice, or actually once, sorry. And then we can go to we can press on the drawing on the viewport, and I'm going to customize my viewport here in custom. As you can see, I already made one of them, to meters, to millimeters, and then I'm just going for to add another one and call it meters. So I'm just gonna call this one 1 to 100 meters, and the units should be 0.1 drawing units. So in the paper units, inside the paper, for every 1 unit there is a 0.1 drawing unit inside the drawing that I scaled, because if we remember, I put for the door 0.9, so this is 0.1. So this is the standard for the 1 meters. I'm gonna press OK, and then again OK. I'm gonna scale this to the new custom made scale. As we can see, the drawing, let's say the drawing was on 1 to, this is 1 to 100 in millimeters. See, it's not clear. So I'm just going for the 1 to 100 meters again, and there we go. This is 1 to 100 in meters. Now in the other layout, but I must go back actually and rescale the drawing to millimeters. So I'm gonna do the same thing again. I'm just gonna do it fast now. Endpoint to the other endpoint, and I'm just gonna type in 900 for 900 millimeters, which is 90 centimeters. I'm gonna go out and double click. The line is so far away, so I had to do that actually. And I'm just going to scale. Just press anywhere. Scale reference, again scale from this point to the other, and drag the point to the end. There we go. So I'm just gonna cancel this line, or actually I can keep that, and go to the layout and redo that. MV wait, we need to check if the page setup is correctly done. Monochrome, everything is alright here. Close, viewport, single, okay, enter, and then we can scale this drawing to, let's see if it's I'm sure it's not gonna work from 1 to 100 meters, so I'm just gonna press that. See, it zoomed in because I made the first my reference line before it was 900. So for every so I'm just gonna go for a 1 to 100, a normal 1 to 100, and there we go. There, it's to scale. It's to scale right now, and we can plot that, both of them. Plot them. Continue. Can preview. There we have it. There's this one in millimeters. The other one is in meters. Layout 1 is in meters. Layout 2 is in millimeters. I'm just gonna print layout 2 just to show you the end result. And wait for it to progress. And there we have a drawing of a PDF scaled to 1 to 100. Thanks guys for watching, and see you with the next lecture of AutoCAD 2017. Thank you very much.